Hey guys, let's go through the limit setup on an ET500 gate motor. First, make sure your gate is opened halfway and that it is locked into place. We'll now find one of these little jumpers and put it across the two pins that says Prog J. We'll now press the set button to start the limit setup process. You should note that the gate must close first. If it does not close first, you have to remove the motor wires and switch them around. The gate will open, and once the gate is fully closed, you will get a single beep to confirm successful limit setup.